Now, I set up this conference, basically because I read an article in the Atlantic Monthly some months ago quoting Stephen Hawking, and we were hoping that he'd give a few opening remarks, but he's been very ill lately. And Max Tegmark, who is one of our speakers this morning, and they were talking about artificial intelligence, and it's moving very, very fast at the moment. Elon Musk talks about that too. And they're very worried about it, and yet they can't seem to stop themselves keeping going. And it's said that within about 10 or 20 years, but maybe shorter, that computers will be autonomous, that they may be able to reproduce themselves, that you can't, I'm saying this, program morality or conscience into a computer, and that they're worried that computers themselves could initiate a nuclear war. When I read that, I thought, my God, as if things aren't bad enough with the United States and Russia militarily confronting each other now for the first time since the Cold War, computers could take over our world in that way. So that's why I set the conference up. And I'll just read to you how I think, and I see the planet as a patient because I'm a physician, and clearly the planet is in intensive care unit now, acutely